On today's video, we knock out the motherload of all cheeseburgers, the Oklahoma fried onion burger. Hey, if you love to grill and barbecue and make burgers, then this is the channel for you. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell so you don't miss a thing. Because on today's video, we knock out my personal favorite, the mother of all cheeseburgers worldwide. Yes, I said it. I did. But this is just my personal preference. I'm sure you have your own, and there's nothing wrong with it. I give you permission to like another cheeseburger. We're knocking out the Oklahoma fried onion burger. Now, this is actually where I worked as a young adult from about 16 to 22, 23, something like that. I worked at Robert's Grill in Reno, Oklahoma, the very first onion burger place in the history of onion burgers. So I kind of know a little bit about these, and this is actually where I got my spatula idea from. This is it right here. This is what we made it out of. But to make an onion burger, the first thing you gotta start with is super, super thin onions. I've only found one slicer that can do these onions that you can buy on Amazon, and I'll have it listed down in the comments below in my Amazon store. So you can go there and buy this. Just make sure to set it on the #1 setting. If you want to set it on the #0 setting, that's okay, but they need to be super thin. I mean, borderline onion sauce, one step past that. These are the onions we got here. These are yellow onions that we slice super thin. We have us some 80-20 ground beef, not that stuff out of a tube either. This is good ground beef. And then cheese, pickles, and I got some mustard over here somewhere. So I'm gonna make for you the authentic way an Oklahoma fried onion burger is. And for those of you that know me, know that I gave out the slaw recipe about a year ago. That's one you can't find. So, hey, without further ado, let's go to making some onion burgers. You could be here to smell these. They are out of this freaking world. If you're anywhere close to El Reno, Oklahoma, which is just west of Oklahoma City by about 20 miles, go get yourself one. Or you can always click the link down in the description, buy that little onion slicer and make them at home. They are fantastic, and you are gonna be the king of the cul-de-sac. Now, the way we build them at the restaurant is completely different. I put the cheese on top, and most people, even myself with a regular burger, will set it on top of the bun. But with these, you steam the bun. So you put the bottom bun right on top of the cheese. That way when you pick it up, you flip it, and you're left with this baby right here. Whew. Man. You want some of this? All right, let's take a bite. It's like it's 1975 again. We're cruising around the lake in our convertible Impala. Mom's got a sack of burgers. She throws you one. This is the goodness you get. This takes me back, but these are perfect. These are perfect. Well, hey, I want to thank everybody for watching, and as always, man, make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Woo. better get in here quick, son.